Hello students, today we are taking the chapter number systems from class 9th mathematics. आज हम class 9th mathematics के chapter number systems की introduction part करेंगे. So let's see what is introduction part of number system. First is natural numbers. Okay, suppose we have got a number line like this. Okay, here it is 0, here it is 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, here -1, -2, -3. Okay, अगर हम यहाँ से इस तरफ मूव करते हैं तो हमारे पास नंबर क्या आते हैं? 1, 2, 3 नंबर हमारे पास आए 1, 2, 3, 4 एंड सो ऑन. इन नंबर्स को क्या कहते हैं? What are these numbers? These are natural numbers and they are denoted by n. Okay, suppose we take 0 along with them. So now हमारे पास नंबर क्या है? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So these are called whole numbers and they are denoted by W. Now we suppose we take the positive numbers also, we take 0 also, we take the negative numbers also. हमने पॉजिटिव नंबर लिए 1, 2, 3, 0, -1, -2, -3. हमने ये सारे नंबर्स ले लिए. ये नंबर्स हैं इंटीगर्स. ओके, एंड दे आर डिनोटेड बाय Z. It is derived from a German word that is zählen, that means to count. Okay, now we have rational numbers, a number written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. So these are rational numbers. So any number which is represented in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers, positive integers भी हो सकते हैं, negative integers भी हो सकते हैं, and Q is not equal to 0 are rational numbers and they are denoted by Q. Okay, so the word rational is derived from ratio and Q is derived from quotient. Now what are equivalent rational numbers? Suppose we have a rational number 1/2. इसे नंबर सिस्टम में कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे? नंबर सिस्टम में हम इसे ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे 0, 1, 2, 3 एंड सो ऑन. यहाँ पे है -1, -2, -3 सो ऑन. 1/2 मीन्स 0 to 1 का हाफ. ओके, तो हमने इसको 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया, तो दिस इज 1/2. ओके, सो now we can represent the rational numbers on the number line. Okay, now suppose we have 1/2, we have 2/4, we have 10/20 and so on. So how we will be representing them on the number line? So सबसे पहले हमें क्या देखना है कि it should be in the form of P by Q. Second, they should be co-prime. That means they should not have any common integer and they should not have any other common integer except 1. So suppose 1/2, this is also 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Again it is in the form of 1/2. 10/20, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. Again it is in the form of 1/2. So जब भी हमें ऐसे नंबर को रिप्रेजेंट करना है नंबर लाइन पे, तो हमें सबसे पहले देखना है कि P and Q are integers. दूसरा, P and Q are co-prime, that is they do not have a common factor other than 1 and Q is not equal to 0. So 2/4 can also be represented here, 10/20 can also be represented at this place, because in the shortest form they are equal to 1/2. So we can say that they can be represented on the number line like this. Now the irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are represented by S and these cannot cannot be written in form P by Q. ओके, सो इरेशनल नंबर्स क्या है? जैसे कि √2 हुआ, √3 हुआ, √5 हुआ, ये सब क्या है? ये इरेशनल नंबर्स है बिकॉज दे कैन नॉट बी रिटर्न इन द फॉर्म ऑफ P by Q. Okay, and although both rational numbers and irrational numbers, they are called real numbers, and the real numbers are denoted by R. Okay, and any number, whether rational number or irrational number, it can be represented on the number line by a unique point, or we can say any point on the number lines. It could be either rational number or irrational numbers. Okay, so irrational numbers were initially found out by Pythagoreans somewhere around 400 BC. So these can also be represented on the number line just like the rational numbers. We will be taking that thing in next few sections. So now a quick recap. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Whole numbers denoted by W are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Integers represented by Z are -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, all positive and negative integers and including 0. Rational numbers which can be represented in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. So rational number includes natural number, whole numbers and integers all. Okay, now the irrational numbers. Irrational numbers cannot be written in the form of P by Q. Example √2, √3, √5, etc. And irrational numbers are called real numbers. They are represented by the symbol R. We will be taking the next class. Thank you.